Now, if anybody's getting their kitchen done, here's a suggestion: get 2 dishwashers. And you're looking at me going, this guy's nuts. He's in the pay of Bosch or Indesit or something, right? Genuinely, is everybody thinking, why the hell would you get 2 dishwashers? If you have 2 dishwashers, you don't have to unload the dishwasher. You have a clean one, which you use as a cupboard, and then you use the stuff and you put it in the other one. And that's the dirty dishwasher, right? And then when the dirty dishwasher's full, you turn it on and that's your clean dishwasher. So you never have to unload the dishwasher. You just move things from one side to the other. But it's only obvious in retrospect. And when you first said, everybody thought I was mad, right? Why on earth would you do that? It's only in retrospect that so many things become obvious.